Hi guys, in this detailed video, I will show you how to add reviews to Shopify with AI using Ali Reviews, the best app to import Shopify reviews. This works perfectly if you want to import reviews from AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, DSers, or even Temu directly into your Shopify store. By the end of this video, you'll learn multiple ways to add reviews, whether that's importing real customer reviews with AI or writing and managing your own reviews manually. Before we get started, I'd really appreciate it if you drop a like on this video so more Shopify owners looking for how to add reviews to Shopify with AI with Ali Reviews can find it. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify dashboard. On the bottom left, click on Settings, then click on Apps and Sales Channels. And from there, open the Shopify App Store. Once you're on the Shopify App Store, search for Ali Reviews. Earlier, it was known as Ali Reviews, Kudosi Reviews. This is the best AI-powered review importer I've tested. I've tried multiple review apps for Shopify, but this one really stands out because it lets you import reviews from AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, DSers, and Temu in just a few clicks. Now click on Ali Reviews, then click Install. Don't worry, it comes with a 14-day free trial, so you won't be charged unless you keep it after the trial. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Install again. You can also choose free version as I did here. It has limitation to import 10 reviews maximum. It's okay if you don't want to risk your bank and you are at initial levels in the journey of Shopifying and dropshipping. Once installed, you'll see the option to enable App Embed. Toggle this on and click Save in the top right. This activates the Ali Reviews app inside your Shopify theme. Next, you want to add a review box to your store. The on-screen procedure will let you add your review box easily. Here is how it goes. Alternatively, you can add manually too. Here is how you can do it. Go to Add section, Apps, Kudosi Review Box. Then click Save. Now your Shopify product pages will display customer reviews. You can even customize the design, make it a slider, add media sections, or create a Q&A style reviews tab. Now let's talk about importing reviews with AI. Click on Import Reviews. You'll see your Shopify products listed here. For example, if I select this iPhone 16 case to import reviews, the app will automatically search AliExpress for that exact product using AI and pull in the reviews. Not only AliExpress, you can also import reviews from Amazon, Etsy, eBay, DSers, and Temu using this same method. Here I have given all the brief tutorials for other big brands for the easy learning purpose like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, DSers, Temu, etc. Import reviews from Amazon if your product exists on Amazon. Ali Reviews can also fetch reviews directly from there. Go to Import Reviews, type in your product keyword, and switch the source from AliExpress to Amazon. The AI will match your Shopify product to the Amazon listing and pull in real reviews. Click Import, and they'll instantly show up on your Shopify store. Import reviews from Etsy. For handmade or niche products sold on Etsy, you can use the same process. In Import Reviews, select Etsy as the source. The AI will scan Etsy's listings, find the closest match to your Shopify product, and import customer reviews, including star ratings and customer feedback. This is a great way to bring Etsy social proof into your Shopify store. Import reviews from eBay. If your product is sold on eBay, Ali Reviews can also import those reviews. Inside Import Reviews, select eBay as the source. Search for your product, choose the correct listing, and import the reviews. These will then appear on your Shopify product page, giving you more credibility with customer-generated feedback. Import reviews from DSers. Many Shopify store owners use DSers for drip shipping. AliReviews integrates with DSers, so you can directly import reviews of the products you're already importing into Shopify. In the AliReviews app, choose DSers as the source. Pick the product from your DSers import list, and with one click, all reviews are transferred to your Shopify store. Import reviews from Temu. If you're sourcing from Temu, AliReviews can also pull reviews from there. Inside the import feature, set Temu as the source. The AI will match your Shopify product to Temu's listing, and you can import all available reviews. This is especially useful if you're dropshipping Temu products but want to show proof of quality. With one click, the reviews are imported to Shopify. In my demo, 10 reviews were instantly added to my product. If I visit my live Shopify store and check that product page, the imported reviews now show up, complete with star ratings and customer comments. You can also write your own reviews manually. Just click Write a Review, type in your feedback, add a name, email, star rating, and even upload an image. Then submit. To publish the review, go back into the AliReviews app, open Manage Reviews, and approve or publish it. If you prefer, you can also import reviews using a CSV file from your laptop. Simply upload the file, agree to the terms, and import. This is great if you already have reviews collected from marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, DSers, or Temu and want to bring them into Shopify all at once. The AliReviews app also supports integrations with other review platforms like JudgeMe and Loox, making it really flexible if you've used review apps before. And don't forget, you can fully customize your review box. Change the layout, add media, adjust font sizes, show questions and answers, and tweak advanced settings until the design fits your Shopify store. So that's it. Now you know how to add reviews to Shopify with AI using AliReviews from AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, DSers, and Temu. This is the fastest way to boost trust on your Shopify store, increase conversions, and show real social proof. Hopefully, this tutorial helped. If it did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have any issues with AliReviews, AI import, or Shopify setup. I reply to every comment and will help you out. See you in the next video.